My name is Molly Jo Lynch and I am studying second year in Cavan Institute, the Advanced Sports Therapy and Physio Assistant course. I've always had a huge interest in physiotherapy, and I suppose that the college was local to me, and the opportunities that have come out from it before has been really good, and I could see myself doing very well here. I would have worked really closely with my tutors to complete applications for UCAS, and they would have helped me prepare very well for interviews that I've had with colleges and universities in England and up the north. So I'd say that would have really helped me to get offers. Cavan Institute helped massively in obtaining my offers for physiotherapy. The guidance counsellors were really good at helping me apply for UCAS, and they would have followed through with tutors to help preparation for interviews. Yes, so Rachel and Adam would have brought us in to give us the opportunity to go in and shadow them doing pitch side physio for the lads' games in the college, and then from that I got a job to work with a local sports club, so doing games every weekend, as we do have manual handling and first aid qualifications that we got on the board. We achieved loads of qualifications in Cavan Institute, iTech level 3 and for sports massage, level 2 fitness instruction, taping and strapping and sports equipment in year 2. We studied loads of different modules, sports nutrition, exercise and fitness, taping and strapping, sports equipment, physio assistant theory and work experience and communications. I was fortunate enough to be selected in year 1 to complete my work placement as part of the Erasmus programme in Malta. It was such a good opportunity to get. It was 3 weeks working in a hospital, so it was really good to work in a different country and see how the career varies from Ireland to a different country. I definitely recommend coming to Cavan Institute. Studying here really shows how much you like the course. It's a close-knit community and your tutors will do everything they can to help you along your journey, no matter what outcome you want to have. If you want to go on to study physiotherapy or if you want to go straight into the job, they're really good at supporting you and throughout the whole journey of first year, or if you decide to do the 2 years. I would highly recommend the second year in sports therapy. We do sports equipment, which isn't really done in many colleges in Ireland, and it's really good to have behind you. Also, from completing first year, second year continues on and it gets more hands-on. It really develops the knowledge that you learned from in first year.